Okay, so for this performance rehearsal, I'm going to be singing Set Fire to the Rain. I haven't sang for about a week now and put it on my blog as I've been ill, but my voice is back now and I feel better. So I'm going to record this song now. I've decided to Set Fire to the Rain as I feel that this one needs most work, as it is a very powerful song, and I think if it's not sang and projected in the right manner and powerfully enough, then it's going to lose all its effect and will be no good at the performance. So, here we go. Let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was time, and now it was over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they are strong, but my knees were far too weak. Stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say. They were never true, all the games you'd play. You will always win, but I set fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it blew while I cried, 'cause I heard you were screaming out your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, there's nothing better. There's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say. They were never true, all the games you play. You will always win, but I set fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it blew while I cried, 'cause I heard you were screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, it felt something tight, 'cause I knew that this was the last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door. That heart you called must have been waiting for you. Even now we're over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it blew while I cried, 'cause I heard you were screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, it felt something dark, 'cause I knew that this was the last time.